Hey, it's Griffin and Sarah, and we're on day 2 of restoration of this here bus.
In an undisclosed location in the Taconic Mountain Range.
Is that where we are? All right, here we are, day 2. We started stripping it out. Take a look.
All of myself in.
Yeah.
Not by the steering column.
Up by the steering column. Anyways, it looks pretty good. We took the sink and the seat and the cooler and some shelving and all the other nonsense out of here.
The old Westphalia.
Yes, Westphalia. Let me show you what I did with it. All right, there it is. It's all hanging out right here in the back. I'm going to have to hire a guy to pull it out of here. But it wasn't doing us any good. It's pretty,
right.
Yeah, it's nice and roomy.
Nice and roomy. Now we have to make some decisions on what we're going to do with it.
Yes.
Thinking maybe a wooden roof, more gypsy caravanish.
Yeah. Well, we got to get this highliner out of here.
Yeah.
I don't know what's under there. It could be asbestos. I think the floor looks good.
Yeah, not too much rust. Got one hole here.
Well, there's 2, but those were drilled.
They were drilled for drainage for the sink.
You know,
So if we do actually put in another sink and the, fold down bed and such, it's there. It's an option.
Yeah, it's not rusted either. Well, and that's it for day 2. We're gonna go look at a Rolls Royce in a few minutes, and I'm not gonna buy it though. I've got enough. Okay.
Remember, like and subscribe.